8 doctors every young man needs. Young pals are normally at their peak of well-being during their high school for a long time up until their 30s. Except if a youngster has significant weight or factors for a difficult disease, he may simply require general exams without a ton of extra testing. As men age, however, the requirement for additional continuous exams and screenings means a lot to get any illness at the beginning phase. So let's encounter 8 doctors that you might need for assistance. Make sure you share this video and like it right away. Welcome to my channel. Before we begin, please go ahead and click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Cardiologist. Eating a heart-solid eating regimen probably won't be sufficient on the off chance that you have a family background of heart issues, assuming you have risk factors for coronary illness, for example, hypertension, elevated cholesterol, or diabetes. Visit a cardiologist regardless of whether it's simply to examine how you can remain heart solid. Obviously, on the off chance that you have any chest torment, that is likewise motivation to plan an arrangement immediately or go to the trauma center assuming you experience torment in your arms, back, neck, jaw, or stomach, alongside windedness, which can demonstrate a respiratory failure. Urologist. A urologist can address a large group of men's medical services issues, including sexual well-being. If you're having richness issues or erectile brokenness, a urologist can help. If you're done having youngsters, go to a urologist for a vasectomy or an inversion if you conclude you need more children. Past sexual capability, signs you want to plan an arrangement incorporate bladder control issues, excruciating pee, urinary plot diseases, or kidney stones. Gastroenterologist. While a colonoscopy maybe keeps going on your plan for the day, it's one test a gastroenterologist will use to check for polyps in the colon or rectum. Polyps can be an early indication of disease, but don't avoid this test. You will require colonoscopy at regular intervals. Yet, if you're at a higher gamble of creating colon malignant growth, you could have to have the test more regularly. Converse with a gastroenterologist about your clinical history and chance elements for colon disease. Dermatologist. You could think a dermatologist's job is restricted to treating skin breakouts. Yet these experts treat a huge number of infections, including skin malignant growth. Assuming you have a mole that changes appearance, have a dermatologist look at it. The individual could prescribe eliminating it for a biopsy to decide if it's malignant. Different motivations to plan a visit incorporate skin issues, for example, dermatitis, hair or scalp issues, color issues, restorative medicines, and obviously, skin breakout. Dental specialist. Cleaning your teeth 2 times per day isn't enough all the time. Since 30% of Americans have untreated tooth rot, you want to get normal exams to ensure your mouth is sound. The more established you get, the weaker you are to gum infection. Up to 25% of grown-ups over age 65 have it. What's more, if you smoke or drink vigorously, you have an expanded gamble for oral malignant growth. Your oral well-being can influence your prosperity all throughout your life, and oral side effects can show conditions somewhere else in your body. So ensure you visit your dental specialist like clockwork. Nephrologist. A great many individuals have ongoing kidney infection and don't understand it. If you have risk factors, for example, diabetes or hypertension, visit a nephrologist to evaluate for the sickness. There's no remedy for kidney sickness, and it can prompt kidney failure, so identifying it early can save your life. Eye doctor. Optometrists can perform vision tests and eye tests, and in specific states, they may likewise endorse drugs for some eye sickness. Be that as it may, eye issues can go past unfortunate vision. On the off chance that you have a more difficult issue, an optometrist could allude you to a clinical ophthalmologist specialist. The person in question can treat all eye sickness and carry out procedures, if necessary, as well as analyze and address vision issues. On the off chance that you assume you have a more difficult issue than simply unfortunate vision, plan a meeting with an ophthalmologist. Therapist. Regardless of whether you have a serious psychological wellness issue, you could profit from chatting with a therapist. As a specialist in the human way of behaving, a clinician can assist you with taking care of a wide range of problems, like relationship issues, dietary issues, substance addictions, or even regular burdens. If you have a family background of nervousness or melancholy, consider booking a talk with a clinician to examine your gambling factors.